Okay, hi all children. Now this is the next video of our lesson number 1, that is Man ke bole bale badal. Now here in this video I am going to explain the notes of this chapter. Now children, when you write down the notes of this chapter, make sure that you are writing in the single line notebook. And how I have written, that is one more thing. Now I am just explaining here on the board. I will be sending this PDF of this chapter onto our site, so you can download that and you can copy it into your notebook. So how I have written in the paper, in the same way you need to write in your notebook also. So please keep that in mind. Okay children. So let me explain to you the notes of this chapter, that is पार्ट 1 मन के बोले भाले बादल. Part 1 मन के बोले भाले बादल. Now first one is earth. Earth, as you already know meaning, so I have not written any English explanation over here. Earth means to write down the meaning. The Hindi and the English meaning I have given to you. You need to learn both of it. You need to learn Hindi as well as English meanings. Okay children. So first one is Jabbar. I'll mark it. First one is Jabbar. Jabbar means, one minute. Yeah. First one is Jabbar means tede mede, that is curly. Second one is Tond. Tond means mota pet, that is fat belly. Third one Soond. Soond means hathi ka naak, trunk, that is nammada Malayalathil parayumbo tumbikai. Okay. Fourth one is Kobad. Kobad means oont ki uti hui peat, that is hump. Hump, as I already explained to you, hump is the place where the camels, they store the water for them. So that is the meaning of hump. Okay children. Now next one. Matwale. Matwale means mast rehne wale, that is living cool, cool living. Next one Tufani. Tufani means tufan se bara hua storm. Seventh one Ziddi, hati, that is stubborn, vashi, adana Malayalathil parayanathu. Eighth one Shaitani, shararat, naughty. Second section is Paryayvachi shabd, that is synonym. Synonym, as I have already explained, synonym means that is different words but same meaning. That is the meaning of synonym. So first one is Nadi. Nadi means river. The other two words are Sarita, Nad. Next one Asman. Next one is Asman. Asman means Akash, Nab. That is the two words are Paryayvachi words are Akash, Nab. Asman means sky. Third one Sher. Sher meaning is lion. The Paryayvachi words are Sim and Vanaraj. Fourth one Badal. Badal means Megh and Ghan, that is cloud. The Paryayvachi words are Megh and Ghan. Next one Hathi. Hathi means Gaj, Kunjar. Hathi means elephant, Ana. The other two Paryayvachi words are Gaj, Kunjar. Next one Barsat. Barsat means rain, Barish, Varsha. The Paryayvachi words are Barish, Varsha. Okay. Next comes Dvitva Vyanjan Shabd, that is joined letter words. In your earlier classes, you have learned Samyuktakshar words. What do you mean by Samyuktakshar? Two letters joining together. That is Samyuktakshar. Here what it is? Two letters are being joined together. That is two same letters. Two same letters are being joined. So that is why it is known as Dvitva Vyanjan. So first one is Tha, that is Patha, Kutha. Did you see? The Tha letter is over there. That is Dvitva Vyanjan. Next one Bha, Dibha, Gubhara. Third one La, Dilli, Billi. Fourth one Na, that is Anna, Prasanna. Next one is Cha, Bacha, Sacha. Now I will just explain the meaning of this. Patta means leaf, Kutta means dog. Dibba means box, Gubbara means balloon. Dilli means the Delhi capital, Billi means cat. Anna means rice, Prasanna means happy. Bacha means child, Sacha means truth. Then After that comes कौन कैसा समान लगता है लिखिए. Write the comparison words. What do you mean by comparison word? That is, see, first one I'll explain. Suraj si chamkili tali. That it is being compared over here. Suraj si means just like the sun. So what is being compared over here? Chamkili tali, the shining plate. So the shining plate is just like the shining sun. The comparison is done over there. So these are the answer of that. Second one, Chandasa. Chandasa means Gora Mukda, that is the fair face. Third one, Hathisa. Hathisa means just like the elephant. What is Hathisa? Just like elephant. Bhari Admi, that is the heavy person, the heavy man, weight man. Next one, Jokarsa, just like a joker. Hasmukh Swabhav, that is his character is very funny. Next one, Paryosa, just like the angel, just like the fairies. Sundar Pank, that is they are having the beautiful wings. Next one, Gubbaresa, just like the balloons, it is Fula Pet, that is the stomach is full. Next one, Dholaksa, just like the drum. Bajta Dibba, that is the box is being played, the drum is being played. So that is the comparison words, that is Samman Lagna. Okay children? Then after that comes Visheshan Shabd Bariye, that is write adjective words, that is to write down the adjective word. That is Badal. Here you can see everywhere it is Badal. Badal, it is the noun over here, and you are writing something about the Badal. Much more you are writing about the Badal. So that is known as Visheshan. In English you will say it as adjective. In Hindi you will say it as Visheshan. You are saying something much about the Badal. So first one is Kale Badal, that it is black cloud. So Kala becomes the Visheshan. Next one, Matwale Badal. Matwale Badal means with full of happiness. Matwale Badal, full of happiness. Next one, Shaitani Badal. Shaitani Badal means the naughty cloud. Next one, Ziddi Badal. Ziddi Badal means stubborn cloud. Next one, Tufani Badal. Tufani Badal means the stormy cloud. Okay, so the cloud is being same, but we have written the Visheshan over here, different types of Visheshan words. That is, we are saying something much more about the cloud. Then after that comes Lagu Uttariya Prashna, small question answer. So first one, Asman mein kaun daudte hain? Who is that running on the sky? It is Kale Badal. Who is running? The black clouds. Next one, बादल क्या करते हैं? What does the clouds do? बादल बारिश बरसाते हैं. That is the clouds, they rain water, they give water. Third one, बाढ़ लाते समय बादल कैसे बन जाता है? When the floods come, what does the clouds do? What does the cloud? How will be the clouds? How will be they? They'll be ziddi. That is, they will be stubborn. So these are the Lagu Uttariya Prashna. Now comes Prashnotter, the main question answer. First question, बादल किस रंग के हैं और उनका आकार कैसा है? The main meaning is that what is the color of the badal? What is the color of the cloud? And what are the shapes of the clouds? The answer is बादल काले रंग के हैं, उनका आकार जोकर हाथी, ऊंट, परियों और शेरों की तरह लगते हैं. That is, the color, it is black in color, the clouds are black in color, and their shapes are like joker, elephant, camels, fairies, the angels, and as well as the lions. Second question, बादल कैसे बालों वाले और कैसे गालों वाले हैं? The clouds, how are their hair and how are their cheeks? That is the question. The answer is बादलों के जबरीले बाल और गुब्बारे जैसे गाल हैं. The clouds are having curly hairs and also their cheeks are like balloons. Next question, बादल कैसे कैसे शैतानी करते हैं? What type of naughtiness the clouds do? That is, the answer is कभी बादल तूफानी या शैतानी हो जाते हैं. Sometimes the clouds they become stormy or sometimes they become naughty. And बादलों अपने तैलों के अंदर बादलें अपने तैलों के अंदर पानी छुपाते हैं और फिर बरसाते हैं. That is, the clouds they become the bags, they store water within them and they start raining. They give water, they pour water out. So that is the thing the clouds do. So these are the Prashnotar. Only 3 question answers are there, children. So you need to learn this. Yes, you need to learn this and you need to copy this into your notebook. I'll be sending the PDF and you need to copy that. Make sure that you are writing in the single line notebook. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Thank you.